This is what women secretly crave after intimacy. When intimacy ends, do you actually know what she's hoping you understand next? Yes, the physical part matters, but the quiet minutes after it are where many men miss the deeper signal. That's when a woman often learns whether she was just desired in the moment or whether she's still emotionally safe once the intensity fades. And if you misread that window, you can accidentally make her feel alone in the very place where she wanted to feel closest. There's one small thing at the end that seems almost too simple, but it can change how she remembers the entire night. 1. She wants your attention to stay with her. Have you ever noticed how quickly the energy can change after sex? A man can be passionate, present, focused, and intense, then suddenly roll away, check his phone, get up, or mentally disappear. To him, the moment may feel complete. To her, that sudden shift can feel like emotional whiplash. Here's the thing. After intimacy, the nervous system is still open. Oxytocin, dopamine, prolactin, and endorphins are still moving through the body, and the brain is reading the environment for signs of safety or distance. That's why your attention matters so much after the physical act is over. She's not asking you to perform some dramatic speech. She's watching whether the warmth remains when there's nothing left to chase. Look at her. Stay close. Let your body language say, "I'm still here." That small continuation tells her she wasn't just wanted for release. She was wanted as a person. 2. She craves gentle physical contact without pressure. Ever wonder why pulling her close after intimacy can feel more powerful than anything you said before it? Many men think touch after sex automatically means starting again, or they worry that if they touch her, she'll assume they want more. But for many women, the kind of touch she craves after intimacy isn't sexual pressure. It's reassurance. Here's what most men don't realize. Skin-to-skin contact activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the part associated with calming, bonding, and recovery. A hand on her lower back, fingers through her hair, an arm around her waist, or your chest against her shoulder can communicate safety without asking anything from her. That distinction is everything. If every touch from you feels like a request, she learns to brace herself. If some touch simply says, "You can relax with me," she softens. After intimacy, she often wants to feel held without feeling managed, studied, or expected to respond. 3. She wants you to slow the room down. Does she seem quieter after intimacy, less playful for a moment, or more sensitive to sudden movement? Most men treat the end of sex like a transition point. They get up, clean up fast, turn on bright lights, grab water, make jokes, or start talking about something practical. None of that is automatically wrong, but the pace matters. Here's something that might surprise you. After arousal, the body moves through a recovery phase where heart rate, breathing, muscle tension, and cortisol levels begin shifting back toward baseline. If the room changes too abruptly, her body can read that as abandonment, even when your intention is harmless. Slow down. Keep your voice lower. Move with care. Don't make the atmosphere feel like the scene has been cleared. What she craves is the feeling that intimacy didn't vanish the second it ended. Let the room have a soft landing. That tells her you understand that sex isn't only an event. It's an emotional state you both come down from together. 4. She wants to know you noticed her pleasure, not just your own. Have you ever asked yourself what she remembers most after being intimate with you? Many men assume she's thinking about performance, stamina, confidence, or whether the sex was exciting enough. Those things can matter, but they're not the deepest measure. The deeper question is whether she felt seen. Think about that for a second. Female arousal is shaped by physical stimulation, emotional safety, attention, and context, and the brain's reward system responds strongly when pleasure feels mutual rather than one-sided. She wants to know you noticed her breathing, her tension, her sounds, her stillness, her comfort, and her boundaries. Not in a clinical way, in a caring way. After intimacy, a simple line like, "I loved how close that felt with you," can land deeply because it tells her you weren't just inside your own experience. You were with her. She craves that confirmation because it separates a lover from a man who merely used her presence to reach his own finish line. 5. She wants emotional warmth without interrogation. Ever had a beautiful, intimate moment, then felt unsure what to say afterward? Some men overcorrect. They ask, "Was that good? Are you okay? Did you like it? What are you thinking?" One gentle check-in can be caring. A stream of questions can make her feel responsible for managing your insecurity. That's not connection. That's pressure wearing the mask of concern. Research into attachment and bonding shows that emotional safety is often built less by perfect words and more by consistent tone, pacing, and responsiveness. After intimacy, she may not want an interview. She may want warmth. Say something simple. Come here. You feel good next to me. I liked being close to you. Then let silence breathe. The craving here is subtle. She wants to feel that you care about her experience without turning her into a reviewer of yours. When you can be tender without fishing for validation, she feels safer telling you the truth later. 6. She craves cleanliness handled with maturity. Does talking about cleanup after sex feel awkward to you? For many men, this part gets ignored because it seems unsexy, practical, or embarrassing. But after intimacy, cleanliness can become a form of emotional intelligence. That's not logistics. That's respect. The body is dealing with sweat, semen, vaginal fluids, lubricant, saliva, and sensitive tissue, and the genital area can feel more vulnerable because friction changes sensation and moisture. A woman may want tissues, water, a towel, the bathroom, fresh underwear, or a moment to clean up without feeling watched. Handle it like a grown man. Don't make faces. Don't act disgusted. Don't make childish jokes about natural bodies. Offer what's needed with ease. When you calmly pass her a towel or ask, "Do you want anything?" you're communicating something bigger than hygiene. You're telling her her body doesn't become inconvenient once the sexy part is over. That kind of maturity makes her feel deeply safe. 7. She wants reassurance that your respect didn't disappear. Have you ever thought about how exposed someone can feel after they've trusted you physically? Intimacy can involve sounds, positions, vulnerability, sweat, facial expressions, desire, awkwardness, and surrender. During sex, those things may feel freeing. Afterward, a woman can suddenly become aware of how much of herself she let you see. But here's the thing. The amygdala, the brain region involved in threat detection, pays close attention to social cues after vulnerability. A smirk, a crude joke, a sudden emotional withdrawal, or a careless comment can make the whole experience feel unsafe in retrospect. What she craves is reassurance that you still hold her with dignity. Don't tease her about how she looked. Don't expose private details. Don't turn tenderness into locker room material later. Let your respect be obvious. When she feels that her vulnerability is protected by you, not collected by you, her trust deepens. She remembers that. 8. She craves words that make her feel chosen. Ever wonder why a few words after intimacy can stay in her mind for days? Not big dramatic declarations. Not fake romance. Just specific, grounded words that feel real. Many men go silent because they're afraid of sounding corny. But silence can leave space for doubt. The brain is meaning-making after intimate experiences, and memory consolidation is shaped by emotional intensity. That means the words you attach to the moment can become part of how she stores it. Say what's true. I love being close to you. You're beautiful like this. I like how safe this feels with you. I'm glad it's you. Specificity matters. She doesn't want a line you could say to anyone. She wants language that makes her feel chosen, not processed. After intimacy, the right words aren't decoration. They're emotional placement. They tell her where she stands when desire has softened and honesty has room to speak. 9. She wants you to read her nervous system, not just her mood. Does she get quiet, clingy, sleepy, emotional, playful, or distant afterward? Many men interpret one reaction too quickly. If she's quiet, they assume something's wrong. If she wants space, they assume rejection. If she wants closeness, they assume neediness. But after intimacy, the nervous system can express itself in different ways. Watch the signals. If her shoulders drop and her breathing slows, she's settling. If she curls toward you, she's seeking contact. If she pulls back but stays soft, she may need space without disconnection. If her eyes get watery, it doesn't automatically mean regret. The limbic system, vagus nerve activity, hormonal release, and emotional memory can all make the body tender after sex. What she craves is attunement, not panic, not ego, not interpretation that centers you. Ask gently if needed, then believe her answer. When you respond to her state instead of reacting to your fear, she feels emotionally met. 10. She craves not being rushed back into normal life. Have you ever ended intimacy and immediately started talking about work, errands, dinner, messages, or the next day? It can seem harmless. Life continues. But for many women, that abrupt return to normal life can make intimacy feel like a pocket of time you closed as quickly as possible. That's not how deep closeness works. The brain uses transitions to decide what an experience meant. If the transition is tender, the memory feels tender. If the transition is cold, efficient, or distracted, the memory can lose warmth. This is why aftercare matters outside of extreme contexts, too. It isn't just a word from kink culture, it's a relational skill. Give the moment a few minutes of protection. Don't reach for the phone immediately. Don't make her feel like she has to become convenient again. Let the world wait briefly. She craves that pause because it tells her intimacy with her wasn't an interruption to your life. It was something worth staying inside for a little longer. 11. She wants playfulness that doesn't cheapen the moment. Ever notice how laughter after intimacy can either make things feel closer or suddenly make them feel awkward? Playfulness can be beautiful. It releases tension, brings the body back, and reminds both of you that sex doesn't have to be perfectly polished to be meaningful. But the kind of humor matters. That's not a small detail. That's the difference between shared ease and emotional deflation. If you joke in a way that mocks her body, her sounds, her desire, the mess, or the vulnerability of the moment, the joke becomes a withdrawal of care. If you laugh with her about something human and gentle, it can make her feel even safer. The prefrontal cortex helps reframe emotionally charged moments, and warm humor can turn awkwardness into bonding. She craves that kind of lightness. The kind that says, "We're comfortable here." Not the kind that says, "I'm too immature to hold the weight of what just happened." 12. She craves consistency after the night is over. Have you ever acted deeply affectionate in bed, then colder the next morning or the next day? This is one of the fastest ways to make a woman question the entire experience. Many men underestimate the emotional hangover created by inconsistency. During intimacy, you may be tender, intense, affectionate, and admiring. If afterward you become vague, distant, slow to reply, or suddenly casual, she can feel as if the closeness was only a temporary strategy. Researchers studying attachment describe this as a mismatch between proximity and security. The body experienced closeness, but the pattern afterward created uncertainty. What she craves is continuity. You don't need to overwhelm her. You don't need to pretend the relationship is more serious than it is, but your warmth should still be recognizable when clothes are back on and the day resumes. A simple message later, a softer tone, a normal level of respect, and a lack of emotional disappearing tell her the intimacy didn't expire. 13. She wants you to protect the private world you created. Does she trust you with what happened when no one else was there? After intimacy, a private world exists between two people. The words said, the sounds made, the things tried, the shy moments, the confident moments, the vulnerable moments. A woman often craves the feeling that this private world is safe with you, not because she's ashamed, but because intimacy loses beauty when it becomes material for other people. Here's what most men miss. Sexual trust isn't only consent in the moment, it's confidentiality after the moment. The social brain tracks reputation, belonging, and exposure, and humans are deeply sensitive to sexual information being shared without care. Don't brag, don't hint, don't send screenshots, don't describe her body to your friends, don't turn her trust into proof of your status. When she knows you can hold privacy, her body relaxes more deeply with you next time. Secrecy can be shady. Privacy is sacred. Learn the difference. 14. She craves a man who can receive tenderness too. Ever been so focused on taking care of her afterward that you forget to let yourself be close? Some men think masculinity means always being the giver, the protector, the one in control. But after intimacy, many women crave the feeling that you're emotionally reachable too. Not needy, not performative, reachable. That means you can be held, touched, complimented, kissed softly, or looked at without immediately making a joke or pulling away. The attachment system works in both directions. Secure bonding strengthens when both people can give and receive comfort, and oxytocin release isn't exclusive to women. When you allow tenderness to land, you show her she isn't alone in the emotional field. She doesn't have to be the only one carrying softness. That can be intensely attractive because it feels adult. A man who can receive care without collapsing into insecurity or rejecting it out of pride becomes easier to trust. She craves your strength, yes, but she also craves access to the human being underneath it. 15. She wants one sincere moment before sleep, silence, or separation. What's the small thing that can change how she remembers the entire night? It's the final emotional note. Before you sleep, leave, or turn away, give her one sincere moment. A kiss on the forehead, a hand held for a few seconds, a quiet, "I liked being with you." The hippocampus links memory with emotional context, and endings carry weight. She doesn't need a speech. She needs a signal that the connection didn't vanish. End gently, and the whole experience feels safer in her body.